Video 817, Bombs for Josh 117. Let's get into the code. So down here in the legal stuff section, we have two new monkey wrench macros. There is no such thing as a KD9 cell, so these lookup tables are incorrect. Okay, down here in the ArtGirl shader string section with an ArtGirl shader source fragment number 8, which is our Bombs for Josh shader, we've injected two new lookup tables, the KD7 cell to offset X and offset Y. This is the top left origin of any different KD7 cells, index 0 to 6 inclusive for a total of 7 cells. Down here in ArtGirl, in our ArtGirl functions, we've added more tags to find the preprocessor. This is our preprocessor. It takes shader source fragment raw, converts it to shader source fragment preprocessed. The input string is here, and the output string is this thing right here. Okay, let's scroll down and see what we've done. Okay, lookup table of arrays. We have two new arrays, which are the KD7 to offset X and KD7 to offset Y lookup tables. In our lookup table of names, we have the names that we would like to refer to these lookup tables in the GLSL code. We're gonna use the exact same names that we use on the CPU side. Finally, our third lookup table of tokens, the injection site. So our preprocessor is going to look for these injection site tokens and convert the JavaScript code to the C99 equivalent and shove it into the shader at whatever spot that they see these tokens. The max index for those triply paired lookup tables has gone from 35 to 37 because we added two new entries, and then we're going to make sure that all three lookup tables in our preprocessor are the exact same length. Okay, what we did previously and our footnotes and stuff and what we did in this video, if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on this playlist, the fast playlist. Technical demos are here, ways of getting a hold of me. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. This is the source code for this video. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller pocket Bomberman MMO with GoldenEye 007 style proximity mines with explosions that explode vertically, horizontally, and four-way. It's basically like Bomberman mixed with like Tetris, mixed with GoldenEye. I know that's very complicated. I'm making a fucking game engine. I'm documenting every single fucking line of code. Just fucking like and subscribe. It's just if you want to see where this project is going, you want to see how a madman makes a fucking goddamn game engine, then like and fucking subscribe. I was literally fired from ArenaNet for being a mad scientist. I swear to fucking God that it's not a fucking joke. Like and subscribe.